Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to pay with a OnePay debit card at Walmart and how the whole process works from start to finish. So let's get started. Using a OnePay debit card at Walmart is very straightforward because it functions like a regular debit card. You can use it to purchase groceries, clothes, electronics, household products, and you can even request cashback during checkout. So before you head to the store, open the OnePay app and review your account balance. It's important to confirm that your card has already been activated and that enough funds are available to cover your purchase total, including taxes or any extra charges. After selecting the items you want, go to a checkout counter or use the self-checkout machines. Walmart accepts OnePay cards anywhere Visa or MasterCard payments are supported, so completing the payment should be quick and easy. At the payment terminal, choose the debit card option. Depending on the machine, you can tap the card for contactless payment, insert the chip into the reader, or swipe the card manually. If the terminal requests your security PIN, simply enter it to approve the transaction. If you want extra cash while shopping, you can also use the cashback feature. During payment, choose the cashback option, enter the amount you'd like to withdraw, and the cashier will hand you the money together with your receipt. Once the purchase is complete, you can return to the OnePay app to review the payment details. The app will display the amount spent, any cashback you received, and your updated remaining balance so you can keep track of your account activity. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.